Here's an easy tutorial on sharing a live location through email on an iPhone. Please note that Apple Maps does not allow you to share a live location. It only lets you share your current location. So we're going to use Google Maps live location sharing feature and share it for a few minutes, hours, or until you stop it. First, install Google Maps if it is not already installed on your iPhone from the App Store. Then, sign in with your Google account. Now look at your location on the map and tap on the blue dot. You will see the Share Location option. Select the duration for sharing your live location. Decrease the time using the minus button or increase it to hours using the plus button. Or you can choose the Until you turn this off option. But with this option, you probably won't be able to create a shareable link under the More Options section. So I recommend using a custom live location duration. Tap on More Options and copy the link from the share sheet. Once you copy the live location sharing link, open the Mail app on your iPhone. Compose a new email and paste the link in the body field. Touch and hold to see the Paste option. Enter the email address and send your live location link from your iPhone using the Mail app. In the alternate method, using Apple Maps only allows sharing your current location, but not a live location. Launch the Maps app on your iPhone. Tap on the blue dot that shows your location on the map. Tap the Share button in the share sheet, then choose Copy from the share sheet. Now send this location link by composing a new email in the Mail app and pasting the link to share it through email. That's easy. As a bonus, you can also share your live location in a message using iMessage on your iPhone. Please check the video mentioned in the description. Please like this video to support the channel and subscribe for new video updates. If you have any questions, then comment below.